So you put in front position, it will go reverse, gear, and again you have to down, there's a arrow, you have to reverse, parking, neutral. And if you just tap it here, it will go on parking.
ये लाइट का है, वो भी लाइट का है.
Headlight है. This is headlight, this is park light, this is for the door opening, this is for front bonnet. You just touch the screen, it will open the bonnet. If you touch the screen at the trunk dicky, it will open.
उधर चार्जिंग का है ना.
And this is a small, like a zip tag is there. This touch button for charging lead to open. Charger.
ये तो कैमरा चालू हो गया ना.
And seat belt fastening. Then your movement also, if you left, right, everything. If you want to twist the doors and to say, you can rotate the car on the screen and you can touch it. It will open.